I'm GSN times 2 or scottinojaivideos. Come geocaching with me. Many times I shared with you the beautiful mountains behind Ojai, but today we're going to go into the city, taking a historical tour of the City of Ojai. That's GC77, Charlie November 4, if you want to follow at home. Stop 1 takes us to this statue that shows a 6-foot man being dwarfed by the 8.5-foot wingspan of a California condor. Stop 2 of this 6-stage multi takes us to Libbey Park and the Ojai Tennis Complex. This is the host to the Ojai, the oldest amateur tennis tournament in the United States. This year it will celebrate its 118th edition. On these plaques you'll find the names of people who have competed in the Ojai and then gone on to win one of the Grand Slams tournaments of professional tennis. Here also you'll find information that will give you the coordinates to the final of this multi. At the entrance to the Libbey Bowl is the Trimkin Sound Arch. Motion activated. Let's try it out. Our walking tour takes us past the Libbey Bowl, venue to many concerts. Some of them are even free. Although we're not gathering any information here, this is the Ojai Jail that was in operation from 1929 to 1976. Had room for 8 inmates. We're walking down the Ojai Valley Trail. It's an old rail line that's been converted over to a bicycle and equestrian path. And the really neat thing about it, there's an oil pipeline that goes underneath it. The oil company pays the county an assessment fee, and so this is a self-funded bike path. So here at Watchers, among the furniture and all of the displays, there is a geocache that was set by MacGyver and Flo for the OVC's 10th anniversary. And it fits right in. Our next stop is Bart's Books, where the first thing you'll notice is that there's bookshelves on the outside. These are used books for sale. On the door there's a sign that says, "If we're not here, please slide your money through the slot." And they've been doing that for 67 years. The next thing you'll notice is that half of the store doesn't have a roof on it, because there's not much rain in Ojai, and when there is, there's not much wind. And yes, there's a geocache here. Once the site of an abandoned gas station, Cluff Park, now under the ownership of the Ojai Valley Land Conservancy, and that's where you'll get the fifth piece of information for the final coordinates. The final piece of information can be picked up in the quiet neighborhood of Ondolando, where if you're lucky, you may see a couple emus. And that concludes the historic tour of Ojai. Thanks for joining me.